Have you had enough of the same old dinner and a movie routine? It's time to take your relationship with your boyfriend or your girlfriend to a new creative level. These types of dates help you if you're underwhelmed or bored. I'm Amanda Pasciucco, sex therapist and private practice owner. With over 117,000 of you in this awesome community, let's dive in and break it all down together. We're going to talk about 3 fun and meaningful ways to do that. These are perfect ideas to inspire your partner, so stay tuned. First up, shared adventure. Whether it's a corn maze, a road trip to a nearby town to go to an art museum, or even trying an escape room. They have indoor ones, they have outdoor scavenger types. They even have ones that they mail you to do in your own home. You can try an adventure together. Why? Because shared experiences create powerful memories. The thrill of doing something new builds connection and trust. Don't underestimate how a little adrenaline can bring you closer. And if you're thinking, well, what if we want to try something more relaxed? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's talk about creative bonding. Taking a class together. It's intimate and practical. Maybe you just do a lecture or try a wine and paint night. If you don't drink, don't worry, swap wine for mocktails or coffee. Want something more personal than a class or a lecture? Set up an at-home art night. Explore your creative sides together. These activities aren't just fun, they build communication and teamwork. And for the days when you just want to slow down and recharge, here's another great dating option. Prioritize relaxing quality time. Set up a movie marathon with themes that you both love, like classic films or comedy. Try a staycation in your living room. Light some candles, cook a nice dinner, and enjoy the luxury of being home. Bonus points, start a weekly ritual like a no-phone dinner evening to truly be present with one another. It is these small, consistent moments that create deeper intimacy. These are just a few ideas to keep your relationship fresh and exciting. But there's one more thing that matters even more. The secret to the strongest relationships, it's the effort you put in daily. If you're looking for an even deeper way to connect, therapy can significantly help. Subscribe for more tips on love and life. And don't forget to share this video with your partner. See you next week.